In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create buttons to show and hide a chart in Excel. Let us start by getting to the place in Excel where the chart controls are managed. In your workbook, look at the top of the window for the ribbon. Go ahead and click the Home tab on the ribbon. This is where you will find many of the common tools you need for editing and organizing content, so it is a convenient starting point. Next, you will locate the Editing group on the Home tab. Inside that group, click Find and select. This menu is useful because it gives you access to additional options that help you work with objects on a worksheet. After you click it, you will see a drop-down list appear, and you can choose the option that controls which elements you can see. Now, from that drop-down, click Selection pane. This action opens a sidebar, usually on the right side of your Excel window. Take a moment to notice what appears in that pane. The Selection pane lists objects on the current worksheet, and it is one of the easiest ways to quickly control and manage charts, shapes, and other elements. Once the Selection pane is open, click your chart to see it highlighted in the pane list. This step matters because it confirms that Excel can clearly identify the chart object you want to work with. As you click the chart, you should see the matching entry in the pane become selected or highlighted, so you know you are addressing the correct chart. With your chart selected, you are ready to hide it without deleting anything. Look in the Selection pane for an eye icon next to the chart name. Click that eye icon to hide the chart. You should see the chart disappear from the worksheet immediately. This is a clean way to temporarily remove visual clutter while keeping the chart in place for later. After you hide the chart, it is a good idea to confirm that only the chart is affected. Since the Selection pane controls objects one at a time, you should notice that other elements on the sheet remain as they were. Now that the chart is hidden, you can create space for other content or focus on a different section of your worksheet. Next, you will show the chart again just as easily. To do that, go back to the Selection pane and click the eye icon placeholder next to the chart name. In other words, you click where the eye icon area is for that same chart entry, and the chart should instantly reappear on the worksheet. You do not need to rebuild or reinsert anything. The Show and Hide action simply toggles the chart visibility. That is why this method is so helpful when you want an organized workbook, especially when you are presenting data to others and want to control what viewers see. One more thing to keep in mind is that the Selection pane is tied to the current worksheet and the objects it contains. If you switch sheets, you may need to open the Selection pane again on that new sheet to access the chart. But on the same sheet, this toggle will remain straightforward and quick to use. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.